So, how do you generate a random set of numbers in Excel? Well, there are many ways, and we're going to have a look at 3 examples that cover most major scenarios. To generate 10 random numbers from 1 to 10, use the RANDARRAY function. Specify 10 in the rows argument, a minimum of 1, a maximum of 10, and put true at the end to ensure the numbers returned are integers, not decimals. Confirm the formula, and there we are. Every time you press F9, the workbook recalculates and the numbers change. You'll notice some numbers are repeating though. If this isn't what you want, stay watching as there is a solution to this. This time, let's generate 10 random numbers with no duplicates. Use sequence to return a sequential array of numbers from 1 to 10. The great thing about this function is it guarantees a unique set of numbers. The question is, how do we randomly assort them? Well, we can wrap this part in the first argument of SORTBY. In the second, what do we want to sort them by? Use RANDARRAY to return 10 random decimal numbers from and including 0 up to but not including 1. These are incredibly long, but even in the very unlikely event there are repeats, it won't affect anything because the sequence numbers will still be sorted. As you can see, there are no duplicates this time. Now, you might want 10 random numbers, but you don't just want them to be from 1 to 10. In that case, a couple of small changes to example 2's formula are required. Say we want 10 random numbers from 1 to 50, change the 10 in the sequence and RANDARRAY statements, and wrap all of this in the take function. This allows us, quite literally, to take a set number of rows from the 50 it returns. Obviously, we only want to take 10, so put that in the second argument and include the closing bracket. There we go, 10 unique random numbers from 1 to 50.